Hello, everybody. Hope you're doing great. Just wanted to talk about the current gold and Bitcoin situation. Um, right off the bat, I mean, the Bitcoin has increasing price. Almost its price increase. It's been around 400, almost 400% since its lowest point in March of 2020 to today, Saturday, the 19th of December 2020, which is a very big price increase, and all major indicators, including the basic rules of supply and demand. Um, there is even less than there's a limited demand of bitcoins, as you well know, and after the process of halving, which took place not a long time ago, the bitcoin supply is even lower, and in more businesses such as PayPal, Square, Goldman Sachs, Visa's warming up to using bitcoins as a payment method, and all of these factors are uh, increasing the price of Bitcoin. But gold on the other has the price has increased since January to today about more than 20%. It's almost at 1,900, which is interesting because gold is a safe haven asset, the traditional safe haven asset. It's been always, but I think it's a mistake to compare, to actually make a case that regardless of the fact that the Bitcoin has the prices have just spiraled out of control. It's trended higher. That doesn't mean that by any means it doesn't mean that the Bitcoin has now become the major safe haven asset during recessions or tough economic times. It's just as people are the all the central banks around the world and all the expansionary monetary policies have devalued major currencies. Basically gold. The DXY is at its lowest point in years at about 90.50 compared to all its currency peers. So yes, it's a little bit contradictory because the gold prices should be going higher due to the uncertain times that we're living in. The interest due to a low interest rate environment worldwide, especially in developed and all worldwide, and especially in developed countries or in first world countries, and fixed income yields are very low. Also, even you can even see negative income fixed income yields in Europe. So this should have helped gold even more. And I still think gold is the major safe haven asset and major commodity reserve worldwide. But Bitcoin is making a case, and I think it's here to stay. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, um, and I think it should uh, the the more funds, more ETFs, and more investment funds, uh, or new investment, new Bitcoin ETFs or ETFs where common where investors can actually invest in companies that use Bitcoins or directly in cryptocurrencies, so they can invest in a diversified manner and diversify and mitigate the risk because it's the Bitcoin is still a very volatile crypto asset. So as of right now, I think gold is still the winner in terms of safe haven assets, but definitely Bitcoin is here to stay. Thank you very much.